Let's face it, most sales teams think product marketing is cute. You make pretty decks, write clever one-liners, and send enablement emails that get ignored harder than a Slack message on a Friday afternoon. But what if I told you, you could make sales love you? Not just tolerate you, actually respect you. In this video, we're walking through 8 effective ways to win over sales, without selling your soul or pretending you're in RevOps. This comes from an amazing conversation between Anjali and Aleksandra, a product marketer who's seen the beautiful and nightmarish side of sales and marketing alignment. Let's get into it before someone blames marketing for missing the quarter again. 1. Treat sales like a persona. We obsess over customer personas, we document their fears, goals, and buying objections. And yet, when it comes to sales, we hand them a few bullet points and pray they understand the pitch. Aleksandra flips that thinking.
I also would suggest that for the product marketing managers to start treating your sales as internal personas. As much as you have external personas that you market your product to, there are internal personas that you also need to market your products to, because they are the ones that are selling it and they need to be bought in that the product is amazing and that they understand how to talk about it, how to present it, how to demo it.
Treating sales like a persona doesn't just make them feel valued. It helps you tailor your sales enablement so they actually use it. So spend time with them, interview them, build messaging with them. That's how you get buy-in. 2. Run a sales confidence survey. Most product marketers talk about enabling sales. But how do you know if sales actually feels prepared? To get a pulse, Aleksandra runs a sales confidence survey every year.
In the survey that I'm running, I usually ask a set of questions that sound like, how would you rate your confidence in product presentation, competitor takedown, assets that we put together, etc. You can actually access my template. It's on Medium. You can just Google sales confidence survey and you will find my guide and you can just make it your own, whatever you want.
This gives you a baseline for how confident sales is on the front lines. From there, you can focus your efforts on where it matters.
And once I have the first survey I run, I usually use it as a benchmark. Then I put together the plan to change that. And then the next time I run a survey, I can see how it changed.
3. Join sales calls. Start by joining one call. Don't lead it. Just listen.
I go to these calls and I listen to what they think needs to be done, what they think market is doing, where it's going. So I can take bits and pieces and create my own strategy based on their insights. That's how I score an ally in the sales team.
The fastest way to build credibility with sales is to listen to what they're saying. If a competitor keeps coming up, take note. If a deck isn't working, fix it. And if a rep vents about messaging, don't get defensive. Show them you're here to listen and improve. Hey, it's Henry. Quick break here. If you're looking to break into product marketing, or if you're not sure if product marketing is the right path for you, you can book a free 15-minute call with me to talk it through. The link is in the description. Now back to the video. 4. Share what's new on their calls. There is no substitute for showing up live. You can send an update over Slack or drop links on a Notion doc, but it won't land the same.
What I have tried and have found very successful is when you, from time to time, maybe once a month or once a quarter, you join a sales team call and present what is new, like what's new in collateral, what's new in the messaging, what is coming up, because sales sometimes don't follow this cadence of releases and they don't quite know what is important and what's less important.
This is your chance to meet them where they are. When you're live on a call, you see reactions in real time. What clicks, what confuses, and what sparks follow-up questions. It also reinforces one powerful message. This product marketer actually shows up for us. 5. Send a plain text go-to-market newsletter. After your call, send a go-to-market newsletter to document everything in writing. That way, the people who were there can reference it, and the ones who weren't can still catch up. And it doesn't need to be fancy.
There's no need to design it because the more you design it, the more time you spend on it and you don't have as much resources. So you use simple format for this GTM newsletter. I call it GTM newsletter because it's not only sales, but also customer success. Sometimes the rest of the organization wants to know as well.
Use plain text. Keep it simple with clear bullets and only what matters. You're not writing a marketing campaign, you're writing a field update, something they can forward, search, or scan during a call. 6. Create a product roadmap for sales. Most product roadmaps are too detailed and too technical. Sales doesn't need to see everything. They just need to see what helps them sell.
We have this go-to-market roadmap that has not everything that's in the product roadmap, but only the things that are important for sales. And if you click on each of the items, the sales will see what is it, how it works, what it does for our customer, what challenge does it solve, and what benefits to highlight, and maybe also resources if there are any.
This is about making the roadmap usable. When a new feature drops, sales should know exactly what it is, why it matters, and how to pitch it. It's not just about passing along information, it's about highlighting what's relevant and helping sales turn it into revenue. 7. Turn sales insights into landing pages. Sales is sitting on a hidden goldmine of insights. Most product marketers don't dig in, but Aleksandra did.
One of the things that I have done with my team at Percona is I've asked them, so if people are not coming to Percona for software, how else are they finding us? And they told me that sometimes our customers have very simple use cases. For example, their database is down, or they are preparing for a high traffic event on their website and they need help.
She then took those insights and turned them into demand gen content.
On the website, we only had a lot of product pages, but no use case pages. So we took their insights and put together a quick 5 pages addressing all these use cases that they shared. And it actually have become one of the lead sources for us.
When you turn insights into landing pages, you're telling sales, we hear you, and you're telling customers, we solve problems like yours. That's a win-win. 8. Measure revenue. Just because sales feels good doesn't mean your work is driving results. You have to measure it.
If it just makes sales more confident, that's not a tangible business result. So I look at win rates for the deals that are out there and have happened since the last time I started. Of course, I cannot influence macro level things or how sales are structured, but it really gives the indication.
Make sure to track win rate, time to close, and asset usage. If your work's making an impact, the numbers will show it. And when leadership asks what product marketing brings to the table, you'll have the receipts. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see next. If you're looking to break into product marketing, check out the Product Marketing School at pmmschool.com, where you'll learn practical and actionable product marketing without the fluff. Also, if you're a founder looking for go-to-market support, shoot me a message on LinkedIn. Till next time, see you.